Hey everyone, this is Charles and welcome to Charles Corner. So for today's video, we'll be unboxing as well as setting up the newest and greatest of Nintendo, which is the Switch 2. So here we go. So as you guys have seen, it actually comes in two boxes, an outer layer and the second box which contains the console. And here it is, the newest console of Nintendo. So the Nintendo Switch 2 comes with a 7.9-inch LCD display, as well as support for HDR10 and variable refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. The device has two USB-C ports, one at the top, one at the bottom, for convenience of charging and playing at the same time. It comes with 256 gigs of internal storage, as well as Wi-Fi 6. And here's the unboxing of the new Joy-Cons for the Nintendo Switch 2. I bought myself an extra pair because we need the extra players to get through Overcooked 2. You guys know the struggle. Inside the box is quite simple. You can see the Joy-Cons, you can see the wrist straps as well as some paperwork. And here is the left Joy-Con. As you guys can see, it's way bigger than the previous model. It has better fit in the hand, and most importantly, the SR and SL buttons are way bigger than the Switch 1. Personally, I think this is the best improvement, as when playing multiple players, it was a bit of a struggle. And here's the right Joy-Con, and as something new, right below the home button, we have the C button, which takes us to the chat box, where we can have conversations with friends whilst playing online. Another feature that the Joy-Cons have, if you've noticed, are the laser sensors, because they can have a functionality of a mouse. And here we have the wrist straps. As you guys can see, it's hollow in the middle. So to put it back in, we just insert the Joy-Con that way and it's secure. And to remove it, it's easy as pressing that button and automatically it releases. And here we have both Joy-Cons in my hands, just for size reference. So going back to the Nintendo Switch box, here comes some paperwork as well as the code for Mario Kart World, an HDMI cable, as well as the wrist straps as we've seen previously. And below this box we can find the rest. Firstly, we have the Joy-Con grip. As you guys can see, it's a little bit more different than the Nintendo Switch Joy-Con grip, as it attaches magnetically instead of sliding it in. The AC adapter, in this particular case, a UK AC adapter, a USB-C to C cable, and here we have the final thing, which is our Nintendo Switch dock. As you guys can see, it's a little bit different with rounder corners in comparison to Switch 1. And inside we can see a USB-C and HDMI out, as well as an Ethernet port for wired connection to the internet. And as I mentioned before, to attach the Joy-Con to the console is as easy as that. It holds up magnetically, and to release it is just by pressing that button, and there's a latch that disconnects it, so we can just pull it out and that's it. So here we have the new stand for the Switch 2. As you guys can see, it's quite tiltable, so you can tilt it to pretty much any angle you like, and it's way steadier than the previous model. And here's the Switch inside the dock. There's a little wiggle over there, and I'm pretty sure it's because to prevent us from micro scratches on the screen. So let's start with the setup, and we are turning on the Switch 2 for the first time. So as any standard initial setup, we just need to put our information in, and in my particular case, I'll be transferring all the data that I had from my Switch 1 to this new Switch. And as you guys can see, it requires the Switch 1 to be nearby the Switch 2, so it can transfer all my data to the new one, as well as your Nintendo ID account. And the setup process is complete, so now the console will restart and all my data has been transferred. And that's it, the unboxing and the initial setup for the Nintendo Switch 2. So I hope you found it interesting. Are you getting the new console? Are you passing? Are you waiting for the OLED version? Let me know in the comment section. So if you've liked the video, I would really appreciate those thumbs up. And on the other hand, if you didn't like the video, leave in the comment section where can I actually improve, as I'll be taking a deeper look into the Switch 2, its gameplay, compare it to other consoles. So it would be nice to know your thoughts and to try to implement it to the next videos. And to end the video, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified of the next upcoming videos. Also, please share the video and the channel to your friends and family so we can grow our community where we can see and review more tech videos just like this. Once again, thank you so much, and God bless you all.